Frequency of vibration of a stretch string depends upon the length, mass per unit length and tension. Frequency is equal to, we can write K L to the power A, M by L, mass per unit length as a small m. So I am writing m to the power B and T to the power C. Now we will write the dimensional formula of all physical quantities. Frequency is number of cycles per unit time. So the dimension of frequency is m0 L0 t minus 1. For length m0 L1 t0. Now here m is mass per unit length. Dimension is m1 L minus 1 t0. Dimension of tension is the dimension of force, means kg meter per second square. So m1 L1 t minus 2. Now put all the values in this equation. m0 L0 t minus 1 is equal to k m0 L1 t0 power A, m1 L minus 1 t0 power B, m1 L1 t minus 2 power C, which is equal to k m to the power 0 and m to the power 0. So we will not write directly L to the power A here, m to the power B, L to the power minus B, then here m to the power C, L C t minus 2C. So it is k. Now we will write m first. So m to the power B and here C. So it is B plus C. For L, A minus B plus C, A minus B plus C, and T minus 2C, which is equal to, here same term, m0 L0 t minus 1. Now we will compare the power, m to the power, here m to the power 0. So B plus C is equal to 0. A minus B plus C is equal to 0. Minus 2C is equal to minus 1. Minus 2C is equal to minus 1. So C is equal to 1/2. Now put the value of C here. So B plus 1/2 is equal to 0. So B is equal to minus 1/2. Now put the value of B and C in this equation. So A minus minus plus 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 0. 1/2 plus 1/2 1 on this side. So A is equal to minus 1. Now put all the values in this equation. Frequency is equal to K L to the power minus 1 M to the power minus 1/2 T to the power 1/2. So it is K by L under root M by T. MC is equal to K by L root M by T.